Welcome back to another house tour. For today's tour, I will be taking you along with me to check out this house and lot in River Grand subdivision. This property is built on a lot area of 170 square meters and has a floor area of 200 square meters. This was built in 2005, but the owner just renovated it this year. And one of the best parts about this property is the location. River Grand subdivision is within the Camella homes community, which is just like 5-minute drive to SM City Mall and Pueblo Business Park. River Grand is the high-end community within the Camella homes township. And just look at this view. So this house is a ridge lot property, and you have a view of Cagayan de Oro River and Macahalar Bay and Cagayan de Oro City as well. So imagine waking up to this view every day. As we walk inside the property, we are greeted by this massive space, this huge open space. And this could be the living area with the dining area over here. And then the kitchen is just over here on this side. So there is this partition over here, which divides the living or dining room space from your kitchen area, giving the kitchen a little bit of privacy. We also have a lot of countertop space, overhead and underhead cabinets. So this is where you could put your refrigerator, and this space here can accommodate a huge double-door refrigerator. And we already have a built-in oven over here with more cabinets. So you could use this space as your pantry to store your groceries. And then there's just open shelving here with outlets. So maybe this could be for your coffee maker or for your microwave. And then we have a cooktop and range hood. property has a total of 3 rooms plus a staff room. So we have a staff room over here on the first floor. We also have a common toilet and bath. So from the living or dining area, it would be easy for your guests to access the common toilet and bath. And then this could be your staff room, an extra room here on the first floor, maybe office space, so it's up to you. And then adjacent to this first floor room, we have your laundry area. This is where you could put in your washing machine. It's already ready. There's already like a sink here where you could do your laundry. And we have the door leading outside to the exterior of the house where you can enjoy the view of this property. Now let's go check out the second floor. Now let's check out the second level of this property. We have a total of 3 rooms on the second floor. This is the first room. The view from here is there's a lot already because we are at the perimeter of the subdivision. So just a lot of greens, empty lots, and you have a partial view of the Makahalar Bay and city view as well, and a view of the mountains. Right next to bedroom number 1 in the second floor, we have another room, which is slightly smaller size. And then we have a common toilet and bath for the 2 rooms. The master bedroom is over here. It is the biggest room. It also has its own toilet and bath. And then it has this amazing view of the river, Makahalar Bay, and Cagayan de Oro City. So it's very peaceful. And the toilet and bath is over here. You have this huge enclosed area for the shower area. And you have extra space for the balcony. So if you wanted a bigger room, then you can even just enclose the space, or maybe, enclose the space or put a roof. So you can enjoy your balcony even in the mornings, because it's usually hotter in the mornings and early afternoon. And that ends our property tour for today. If you have questions or you would like to check out this property in person, make sure to contact me. My WhatsApp number and email address is in the description. See you in the next video.